So the easiest way to find your chat history on ChatGPT is to simply look on the left here and see your chats. Now, obviously, everybody knows this is a very common thing. However, what most people don't realize is that, if you're trying to find something specific in your old chat history, you can do that by simply going to search chats up here and then typing in something that's specific to you that you're looking for. So in our case, we're going to be looking for, let's say, I remember in one of my chats talking about the University of Michigan, and I want to find that specific chat, but I'm not sure which one it is. There's a bunch over here. So we can just type it in, University, and see what comes up. All right, University of Michigan. There we go. So then we find exactly what I was referring to in a job application creation, and I find the exact thing in my chat history. So as I said, you have all your chat history on the left here, and if you wanted to get the extended version of it, you can always go to your settings. Go to your settings, go to data controls, and you can go ahead and find your archive chats. You can manage them from there. And you can go ahead and export data. Exporting the data will export all the information, so your account details and chats will be included in the export, so all your past details. The data will be sent and to your registered email in a downloadable file. The download link will expire. So by doing this, you'll get all your past chats and chat history if you want to have it saved on file. But if you're looking for just simply a specific chat, all you have to do is either look here or go ahead and search the keyword of what you're looking for specifically here. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.